Punctures are the most common problem when cycling, but with a little preparation, they are easy to fix. First, get somewhere safe. You'll need tyre levers, patches, or a replacement inner tube. If you have V-brakes, unclip the brake noodle to release the brakes on the affected wheel. If you have caliper brakes, there often is a release lever you can pull. If the rear is flat, put the bike into its highest gear or smallest sprocket. Then unlock the quick release skewers of the wheel. Lift the bike up with your left hand and use your right hand to move the rear derailleur backwards. This allows the rear wheel to drop out of the frame. Place the bike down with the chain facing upwards to protect the more vulnerable chain drive side of your bike. Now squeeze around the tyre to break the seal between the tyre and the rim of the wheel. Use the tyre levers to lift the tyre off the rim and secure it to a spoke. Then use the second tyre lever to keep separating the bead and the rim. When the tyre is loose, fold it back at the valve point and push the inner tube valve out. Now remove the inner tube from the wheel. Often you can repair punctures and reuse the inner tube, so keep the inner with you, although some punctures will be beyond repair. Before replacing the inner tube, check all of the tyre in case the cause of the puncture is still present. If you find it, remove it. Then partially inflate the new inner before feeding it into the tyre. Reseat the tyre using your hands. Squeeze the tyre to make sure your inner tube is correctly seated and won't get caught between the bead of the tyre and the rim of the wheel. Re-inflate the tyre. Ensuring the cassette is on the right-hand side, lift the bike up by the saddle and then place the bottom of the chain underneath the smallest sprocket. With the right hand, move the rear derailleur to the rear and then lower the dropouts onto the wheel axle. Secure the quick release skewer. Re-engage your brakes and you're done. If you want to repair the punctured inner tube at home, follow the instructions supplied with your patch kit. And reuse your inner tube as a spare.